Today I'm going to be making garlic parmesan air fried chicken wings. I need a couple of tablespoons of all-purpose flour. I'm going to add some onion powder to the flour, some dry parsley, maybe about a teaspoon, a couple of pinches of salt, not too much because we're going to be using a grated Parmesan cheese afterwards, so that's going to add a lot of salt. And I'm also going to be using this Frank's Red Hot Stinging Honey Garlic Seasoning Blend. Maybe about a teaspoon, couple of teaspoons of that, because it's got a little bit of spice, some onion, some salt. So give that a little shake. And we're going to get our wings here, about a dozen or so wings. And I've already cleaned them and patted them dry, so they're ready to go in here. Going to get all our chicken wings in the bag. Close up the Ziploc bag, the freezer bag. Give it a shake until we get everything coated up nicely. And what I'm doing is I'm also pressing it in to the chicken. So if it gets kind of clumpy, that's good. It gives us nice crispy edges. All right. So now we're going to get the chicken wings into the Ninja Foodi air fryer. So I've already preheated the Ninja Foodi air fryer. So we're just going to take our wings, just give them a little tap out and get them all in there. And I'm getting them in there with the skin side up. So we'll get a nice crisp on the skin from the air fryer, or the air crisp as Ninja Foodi calls it. All right, so now I'm just gonna close the lid. Turn on the power. Select air crisp, 400 degrees. Start, we'll start at 20 minutes. We'll see when they're done. Probably gonna take about 15 minutes or so for them to get kind of crispy. And I'll bring you back when they're done. Just spray with a little bit of garlic oil on the top for the last couple of minutes. And for the sauce, I'm just gonna saute a tablespoon and a half of olive oil and about 1 to 2 tablespoons of butter. For the garlic, just gonna mince it up so it mixes up nicely, and mince up to 3 cloves of garlic. Okay, and I've got it on low to medium, so we want to go real slow on here. I'm going to add some parsley and some black pepper. And we're going to let this go until the garlic gets soft. I put the chicken wings in the bowl here, and you can see, I mean, they're very hot. Nice brown crust here. I've got some Parmigiano Reggiano cheese, grated cheese, that I'm gonna get on here. So we're just gonna give that a toss, just to coat all the chicken. And now this butter, garlic, get that all on there. And just give it a nice toss, just to get everything nicely coated and delicious, and smells fantastic. Let's get these onto a plate. There we go. Get them all on here, all looking nice. And we'll just get the rest of this garlic, oil, butter, deliciousness right on top, like that. Get a little bit of extra Parmesan on the top, like that. All right, so I'm just gonna give this a taste here. I'm gonna grab one of these little drumettes here. That's good. Get the garlic, the Parmesan gives it a nice nuttiness in the background. Really good, good flavoring. Cooked all the way through, juicy. The Ninja Foodi does a fantastic job on wings, making them crispy, making them really nice for you. Hope you enjoyed the video. Check out the video here, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.